This is Locksmith Silver. I have here a Porte lock. It's Maxima Seguridad. I guess it's a Spanish made padlock. It's pretty heavy. In English, it's maximum security lock. It's a hardened shackle. I mean, this wasn't somebody's luggage, as you can see. I'm going to try to pick it and see how maximum security this little padlock can be. I'm going to use top of the key. I'm going to use bottom. Let me use bottom. I'm going to use my pretty made pick I did about a year ago. Nice and shiny. It's nice. Look at that. Pretty. Maximum security. It doesn't have no security pins, I'll tell you that. I just got that picked. Oh, man. Porte, Maxima, Seguridad, padlock is not really maximum security lock. Be safe and do not steal.